What if the material you're using today is already outdated? Across industries, manufacturers are facing rising pressure. From environmental regulations to increasing raw material costs. So many are turning to a natural alternative. Gum Damar harvested from Indonesia's tropical forests. A renewable, eco-friendly resin, sourced directly from nature without harming the forest. Used across industries from varnishes and paints to cosmetics and adhesives. With Indonesia as a global source, supported by experienced export supply chains, ensuring consistent quality, reliable supply, and trusted partnerships worldwide. Looking for a reliable Gum Damar supplier from Indonesia? Start your partnership with us today.